Hey guys, this is Chris from Prima Software, and this is a quick reference guide on dispatch notes. I'm going to be showing you how to create a dispatch note, how to find an existing one, and how to edit that existing one, as well as some extra tips on what to do if the dispatch notes are giving you some trouble. So we'll go ahead and get started with finding the existing dispatch notes. It's going to be in movements over here, and then dispatch. So this is the dispatch note lookup. It works just like all the other ones where you can search for the customer up top. You can look for the dispatch note number if you know that one, or you can click on the bar up here and search for the product code, the sales order number, all this kind of stuff. This one works a little bit differently because of the status filter right here. It gives you these tick marks. Most people use all current or dispatched. So all current is going to show you all the existing ones that aren't delivered yet. So it's going to be anything that's in transit and anything that's outstanding. Or the other option is dispatched only. So it's going to show you only the dispatch notes that have been completed already. So you cannot search for both, current and dispatched. You can pick either or here. Or what you can do is you can leave everything blank like it is here and just hit the search button up top, and I'll go ahead and show you everything. So to create a new dispatch note, what we'll do is we'll go over to the red available lines button over here. We'll click on that. It'll open up this window where you can search for the particular item you're looking for to go ahead and dispatch it. Again, you can search for the customer name, the product code, the sales order number, all that. Or you can leave everything blank. Just click on search and it'll show you everything that's being available to be delivered. From here, it'll show you the PO number. So if it says stock, that means like the item is coming from stock and you didn't have a purchase order associated with this item. Or it would show you the purchase order number if that was available here. And then all the usual stuff like the product name, the company it's for, the quantity, all that kind of stuff. So to create one, you can go ahead and click and highlight all the ones you want to create. I'll just click on this one for now. And then you want to click on create and add to dispatch notes. There we go. And we have our dispatch note right here. And so now we'll be able to double click on it and make some edits if we need to. So if you're looking in available lines here and you don't see the item that you need to be delivered, I should say, it's either because it's already been put on a different dispatch note or that product is not yet available to be delivered. So if it's already been put on a different dispatch note, you can again use this lookup here and you can search for the sales order number or the product code you're looking for and find the existing one that way. Or it might be useful to go to the sales order and search in the links to see if it's in there. So as an example, I'll just click on maybe this one. You'll go ahead and double click on the item you're looking for. And then use this links button right here to find the dispatch note number. You can double click on this to go ahead and open up if you need to. But if you looked in here as well and it's not available in here either, it might be because that particular item is not ready to be delivered yet. So if we go back to the summary tab on this sales order, every product has a status right here. This one says delivered. So that's how I know that it's already been put on a dispatch note and it's been completed. So it's been delivered to the customer. If this were to say picked, that would mean that it's been put on a dispatch note, but that dispatch note has not been completed yet. If it said anything else like ordered or requested, that means that you don't have the product available yet. It either hasn't been ordered yet or has not been received in yet. That means it's not available to be delivered. But let's say you do have the item ready to be delivered and you have your dispatch note right here. We'll go ahead and open this up. And this will act as your packing slip. So there's not much to do on this summary tab here. You can type in some extra notes if you need that. You'll be able to see the delivery address right here. All the available products, or all the products that are going to be delivered, are going to be down here. And then a couple other options are going to be if you have a separate third-party shipping service set up on your database, you can use that. Or if your database is using the manifest system, which allows you to put these dispatch notes onto a manifest and have your delivery drivers mark them as complete on the proof of delivery app. It'll give you the manifest information right here, and a button that says jump to manifest if you want to open up the manifest as well. I'll be going over the manifest on a different video, so we'll skip that for now. But in this case, if you do not use the manifest system and you need to complete the delivery manually, what you can do is just click on the dispatch button up here at the top. It'll go ahead and move it from in transit to dispatched. So that's the manual way of completing the dispatch note. And so now that it says dispatched, now the system knows that the product has been given to the customer. If you want to complete several dispatch notes all at once, you can do that in the lookup over here. So what I'll do is I'll click on the cloud here, the clear all filters. And then I'll hit the big search button up top. And we'll see all of the available dispatch notes. Might be useful to order by created date, so you can make sure everything is in order. And let's say maybe these two, or these couple, are ready to be delivered now. So instead of opening up each one by one and completing them, you can go ahead and just highlight the ones you need and click on the complete button up here at the top. And that'll do the same thing. It'll complete each of them and mark every item on there as delivered. If you need to print off the packing slip, you can do that from here as well. You can print off, or I should say highlight everything you need to print off, then click on the print email button up top here. You'll make sure that printer is selected. And then from here, you can click on the different, the packing slip forms that we have here. Sometimes different customers want different formats for their packing slips. So sometimes you can create separate ones here, but dispatch note should be your default one. And then you can select the number of copies that you want to print out for each one, as well as the printer you want to use. And then when you're ready to print, you just click on Start Jobs right here. And that's about everything as far as dispatch notes go. If you're looking for a manifest guide, that'll be coming up next. I'll do that separate video on that one. But otherwise, if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. Otherwise, thank you for your time. Have a good day.